If you try buying Bali property as a foreigner without the right structure, you'll lose everything, and here's how TheBaliLawyer protects your purchase in 2026. Here's the problem. Indonesia banned foreign freehold ownership in 2023. Use a 30-year leasehold with two 20-year extensions. That's 70 years total protection. Set up a PMA company with 51% local ownership. Costs 50 million rupiah, but you control operations. Can a foreigner buy property in Bali in 2026? Yes, but not through direct freehold ownership. Indonesia's 2023 property law blocks non-citizens from holding land titles outright. Most expats lose 200 million rupiah or more trying DIY purchases without legal structure. A villa buyer signs a freehold deed in their name, the notary files it, then the land office rejects it 90 days later because foreigners can't own land certificates. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to navigate Bali's property law so you never lose your deposit or down payment. Most people fail here. They hire a local friend to hold the title in their name under a nominee agreement. That's legal on paper but unenforceable in Indonesian court. If your nominee sells the property behind your back, you have zero legal recourse. The Supreme Court ruled in 2022 that nominee structures for land are void. Do not do this. With TheBaliLawyer we set up a proper leasehold or PMA structure so the agreement is court-backed and your investment is protected. Step 1. Leasehold. You lease the land for 30 years with two 20-year extension options written into the deed. Total 70 years of control. The landowner stays on the certificate but you hold the lease title, which is tradable and mortgageable. Leasehold setup through TheBaliLawyer costs about 25 million rupiah including notary fees and land office registration. This takes 14 to 21 days from signing to deed in hand. Step 2. PMA company route. This is important. You form a foreign investment company, a PTPMA, with 51% Indonesian shareholder and 49% your ownership. The PMA holds the property title and you control the board. Setup costs 50 million rupiah through TheBaliLawyer, including company registration, tax ID, and ministry approval. Timeline is 28 to 35 days. The PMA can own commercial or residential property and the structure is fully legal under Indonesia's investment law. Here's the problem. Path A is buying freehold through a nominee. Costs zero upfront but you risk losing 100% of your property value if the nominee betrays you, and courts won't help. Path B is leasehold or PMA through TheBaliLawyer. Costs 25 to 50 million rupiah but you get court enforceable ownership for 70 years or company-backed title forever. Advanced move for villas or land over 100 million rupiah. Add a right to build clause to your leasehold deed. This lets you construct or renovate without needing the landowner's signature every time. The exact wording in Indonesian is this. Pemegang hak sewa bahak untuk membangun, merenovasi, dan menggalikan bangunan tanpa persetujuan tambahan dari pemilik tanah selama masa sewa berlaku. That translates to, the leaseholder has the right to build, renovate, and transfer structures without additional approval from the landowner during the lease term. Your notary files this clause at the land office when registering the lease. It costs nothing extra but saves you months of delays if you want to add a pool or second floor later. Pemegang hak sewa bahak untuk membangun, merenovasi, dan menggalikan bangunan tanpa persetujuan tambahan dari pemilik tanah selama masa sewa berlaku. Foreigners can't own freehold but leasehold works for 70 years. PMA company costs 50 million rupiah, gives you full control. TheBaliLawyer sets up both structures. Link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for help buying your Bali property the legal way. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.